Hi, everyone! Today, we're sharing a video showing how to install Dazuma's modern, minimalist linear LED ceiling light strip. First, remove the product's internal protective packaging. The product package includes 1 screw accessory kit mounting screws and screw caps, 1 modern minimalist linear ceiling mounted LED strip light. Remove the mounting screws from one end of the product and store them safely. Next, remove the metal plate securing the product. Remove the mounting screw from the other end of the product and set it aside. Next, remove the metal plate securing the product. Place the product where you intend to install it, then mark and drill holes at the locations where the metal plates will be attached to both ends of the product. Insert the 2 screw sleeves from the screw kit into the 2 holes. Place the 2 metal mounting plates you removed earlier into the 2 screw sockets. Use the 2 mounting screws from the screw kit to secure them in place. Connect the power cord inside the product to the push-on, quick connect terminals you have provided. Align the product with the 2 metal mounting plates and position it securely. Reinstall the 2 mounting screws at each end of the product that were previously removed. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.